Welcome to the place where ideas glow, dreams ignite and brilliance shows. Canvas blank to master's hue, Design Institute, it starts with you. Blueprints scrawled, visions unwind, crafting the future through heart and mind. Symphonies of shapes, bold and true. Design Institute, it starts with you. Design Institute, where dreams take flight, turning shadows into light. Innovation sparks in all we do. Design Institute, it starts with you. Minds collide,